Hi there, today we're going to make some goodie balls. I'm just going to show you some ways to get things like some calcium rich foods, your tahini and carob and molasses and calcium powder and so on into a yummy treat. Good way to hide some banana flour, or use it, just not hiding. Some PHGG, you might have some HMOs, depends what you've been asked to give your child. There might be some sort of mushrooms, maybe you've got some gelatin you're trying to use, might be wanting to get some coconut into them or some iron biome or so on. So you can put anything into these goodie balls, just go nuts. Whatever you like, you can hide all of it into goodie balls, and I normally sweeten them up with some vanilla paste if I need to, but carob's pretty sweet as it is. I'm not big on measuring things, and it's just kind of the point with goodie balls. You can put in just about anything you like, just get it to the consistency that you like. I will send out a proper recipe, but basically I'm just throwing everything in, and you'll see at the end we'll just blend it all together. And tahini's in, carob, calcium. So I'm not going to measure things because I know I'm going to make dozens of goodie balls, and there's plenty of calcium here. You of course can measure things if you want to, because I'm trying to make the point that the measurement doesn't matter. We just want to get some of these things into the kids. So there's some medicinal mushrooms, there's some PHGG, there's some gelatin and so on. So it really doesn't matter. When you get to the point that it's just going in, something is going in. They have a goodie ball or 2 or 3 or 10 a week, it doesn't matter. We're just trying to get goodness into their bellies. And these things, we give sort of guides in the treatment plans, but I just want you to realise, I don't want people to stress about, oh, have they got a whole teaspoon of mushroom today? It doesn't matter, as long as they get it during the week. Gelatin, go nuts, you can't have too much of this stuff. It's great, it's good stuff. Throw it all in. When we want more moisture, we'll just add some more iron biome. We can add in the kombucha and things like that to help with moisture. Banana flour is awesome. It's a great resistant starch. You don't need tons of it. It's a good binder. It's really good for their belly, good prebiotic. Molasses, good for iron, good for calcium. It's a good little binder when we're trying to make goodie balls. So I just do all this stuff by eye. If you want to do it properly, all power to you. I know people get sick of this statement, I'm a busy mum, but I'm a busy mum. I just don't care. I know that overall they're going to get their calcium, they're going to get their iron, and they're going to get something, delicious in their to have as a treat. So it's all good. Don't stress about it, just have fun. Bit of vanilla, yum. Coconut, yum. Some iron biome, all good for the gut. Nuts. We pop the lid on and give it a bit of a blend. I'll turn the noise down, you don't need to hear this. Just a splash of water. You can throw in a splash of bleach if you want, just to make it a bit moister. Pop the lid off and we'll blend it up. I'm not quite sure you know how to roll a ball, so we just want to take a scoop. Choose your topping, roll a quick ball, and you can throw it in your whatever you prefer, a bit of carob or a bit of coconut, whatever you like. And then we're just going to fill a ball. It's all good. They will firm up more in the fridge, but they're still perfectly okay just the way they are. It's all good. Enjoy!